welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today I will be showing you how I got this Dia de los Muertos Catrina makeup look. If you are interested in seeing what products I use and how exactly the steps that I took to get this full look, then please keep on watching. So I did go ahead and already moisturize my face, and I also went ahead and applied primer. I used the Maybelline Baby Skin, and I love this one. It really makes my skin, my face just look and feel so smooth, and when I apply the foundation, it just goes on. It glides on like butter. I really like this one. I've had that sitting on my face for a while now, so I am going to go in with foundation. I'm going in with my Revlon Color Stay and 180 Combo Oily Skin, and my makeup sponge. Even though we are going to be doing a lot with the face, you still want that like smooth, even canvas. I did like 1.5 pumps, and I'm going to focus it like here on the bottom. Then a little bit on the forehead, and then whatever's left over on the sponge, then that's when I go in like on the nose and like under the eyes, on the eyes. I will be doing half of my face like regular eyeshadow with some design, and then this is going to be like a full-on design. So for this side, I'm going to be just applying a little bit of concealer. I'm using the CoverGirl Clean Matte in light, just a tiny bit, because I always feel like I need that like part brightened. And I just tap it in with my finger. I will be setting my whole face with powder, but before that I want to make sure the liquids are settled in. I'm going in with my Rimmel Stay Matte Powder. It's transparent. I'm only going to be doing this side, again because I'm covering up this side. I don't really need that much powder there. So I just tap it in, and this is because I'm just like really oily. And I'm not blending it, I'm just tapping it into my face. Now that I have that half of my face with the Rimmel, I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless in 120. For the rest of my face, and also to blend that. Next I will be going in to contour my cheeks, and for that I'm using the BH Cosmetics Contour Palette. I'm going in darker than what I usually contour with, so I'm taking the darkest shade that there is there with this kind of a brush. And then I'm taking this shade for my temples. I'm going to blend that contour out a little bit more so it doesn't look like this, you know? And I'm going to go ahead and bake with my Airspun just underneath there. I'm going to go ahead and focus on this eye first. I'm going to be working with the Be Bea GoPro palette. For my transition shade, I'm going in with Sunset. Just a really pretty like neutral brown. So that's going into my crease. And then that same brush going into Vampire. And I'm placing that right below that first shade. Taking the NYX glitter primer, and with the concealer brush I am going to be like cutting my crease, but without the extra step of like the concealer or like a white. I'm just going to go straight in with the primer. I like to place this right onto the brush. And then with that same brush I'm picking up this really pretty pressed glitter right here. It's called Burnt. I'm placing that right on top of where that glitter primer is. Ooh, look at that. You see? Yes. So this part was a little bit difficult. I think it would have been a lot easier if I would have put tape. But oh well, we're right here, and that's what it looks like. Let me go ahead and fix my eyebrows, and then I'm going to be adding a wing. This one right here, foil, a little bit on the brow bone and into the inner corner as well. I do need my lower lash line, so I'm just taking Vampire, which is the darker brown. I will be adding the NYX White Liquid Liner. To leave this side alone for now, and I'm going to begin with my right side. I'm going to begin with the black, so I'm taking a black pencil, eye pencil, any eyeliner, eye pencil that you have will work. I'm going to first draw out like this circle, and I am going to include my eyebrow as part of the circle, if that makes sense. Black up to there. If you feel like you need to fix them later, you can. I'm just leaving it like that for now. For the black shadow, I do want it matte black, so I'm taking the black that's in the Taking It Back to Brazil palette, kind of with like a flat brush like this. And I'm just going to place that right on top of where I have the eyeliner. And you can see what a difference placing that black shadow makes. Yes. Next, I'm taking the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk in the center of like the ruffles that we made. Nothing too like exact. Just place them there. Next, I'm taking a round brush like this. It's super small. And I'm going to be placing that gold glitter on top of the white. Let's see how this works out. I don't even know if it's going to work out. You know what I think might work better? Is the loose glitter. So let's try that. So I just wiped off that brush. I'm going to be placing glitter primer on the white. Next, Glitter Brilliance in 05. I'm tapping a little bit onto the cap and picking it from there. Oh yeah, that's a lot better. Then go ahead and just place your NYX glitter primer onto your eyelid and then the glitter. I'm going to go ahead and trace over the black ruffles again, the outline, with my black felt tip liner. Go ahead and wipe off the big now. Next, I'm going to be drawing in my nose. Again, taking the black eye pencil first, and then I'm going to be putting shadow over it. I start with like a V in the middle. And then I'm just going to take it down there and down like that. Before moving on to just details on my face, I'm going to be adding my lips, and I am going to be using red because I just feel like this needs like a pop of color. So I'm using the Milani Amore Matte Metallic Lip Cream in Mattely in Love. I don't really know what kind of designs or details I want. You can go ahead and try to recreate whatever I do, or you're free to do more than I do or less than I do. I'm just gonna go with it, so you guys can watch this part. I totally just forgot to record this. I'm sorry. That was all for this video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed. I did go ahead and add my lashes. I'm really happy with how it turned out. I could have done without these dots right here because I look like a deer. So I pulled things a little bit from here, a little bit from there to kind of pull this off. I hope you guys give it a try. Again, you can add more to it, add less to it. You can add jewels instead of the glitter. Make it your own. Don't forget to subscribe if you are not yet, and give this video a big thumbs up if you did enjoy, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye!